Hey there, welcome back. In this video, we're gonna add a new pattern. We're gonna go up to here. We're gonna add the vinyl static, and I just named this to static. We're gonna jump right in, and included in this section will be a link to the to get this static sample. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go up here, click add. Under miscellaneous, there'll be an option to click audio clip. Click that, and an audio clip will appear here. Click this and click the folder over here. All I'm doing now is just scrolling through to the folder, to the file, my vinyl static.mp3. I clicked it and just exit out of here. And this is our vinyl static. I'm just gonna set this to 6, and now we just click and drag this into our playlist just like that. And our vinyl static is here. A trick is it might end on an off beat like it does here. So what we can do is if we scroll over here, hold Alt, click and drag, and it will drag. It will stretch the time of our sample, and that's it.